landing in Prague, Czech Republic. Just arrived Prague Airport. Waiting for my pre-arranged driver to ride to come and get me. Fortunately, he can speak English. That makes a big world of difference. Crossing into, is that Charles Bridge right there?
So, now you can see the beauty of Prague.
Wow,
On the left,
beauty.
look at the Charles Bridge is the second bridge, and the left.
Oh, I see, yeah.
And you can see
Prague Castle up there, yeah, very nice. I am here in Prague at my accommodations for the night, but I can't check in till 3 o'clock. And here's my airport limo right here, really good guy. And I'm at the two-night city pop. So my code, they tell me, doesn't work till 3 o'clock, so I'll wait till 3 o'clock. In the meantime, here's a little look around here. I'm going to go down and find myself a nice Czech beer and maybe something to eat. See what I got here at the city pop. What kind of room do I got? Looks like I got a little bit of a range there. Microwave, refrigerator. Fill that up with water later on. My bed. And I've got a shower, no curtain, very European. And that's okay. And do I have a bit of a balcony here? Well, I have a view. First night in Old Prague, and they bring me a Route 66 burger with a chicken wing on top, fries, coleslaw. I forget the name of the beer. Almost like a stout, but more of a coffee flavor to it. I'll just take a quick look around here. There's a restaurant. KP here, Live, Give and Travel, on another excursion. This time I'm in Prague, Czech Republic. I'm going to go down here, have myself a coffee to start the morning. Croissant maybe, or whatever they have available. And check out that museum later on. And then after that, I've got a walking tour this afternoon. Should all be fun. So on my way to the gun range, but I stopped for a little breakfast here. It's a place called The Oak. Big breakfast. This Irish girl served this, but look, it even comes to the fries and all this stuff here, like a regular, almost Irish style bacon, or Irish style breakfast. Take a look around the neighborhood. There, I made it to the gates of the old city up for a walking tour today. Going to meet up here in about 2 hours for a professional walking tour of Old Prague. For now, I think it's time for my first beer of the day. Just after 12 noon at the gates of the old city of Prague. In search of a beer garden. Beautiful day. Not too humid, just right. Lots of high-end shopping.
Castle would use in his paintings. You guys know what style is that? Cubism.
Pablo Picasso.
Actually, I have a
Cubism.
painting from Picasso right here. So you can see this is 1907, one of the first paintings that Picasso made, Cubism. And most likely we call this style Cubism because some French art critics doesn't like this painting.
And here is the astrological clock. Well, they say it's hot here. The locals are talking about being 32 Celsius, but there's no humidity, so it's just right, in my opinion. They think it's hot. I think it's just perfect. These Japanese tourists taking photos everywhere. Try not to get in their way. Old Town Square.
Very good, thank you. So if you guys look at that side of the square, you can see, for example, the pink building in the corner. We call that 1700s Rococo. Right next to it, in a different building behind the corner with the black rooftop.
Astronomical Clock.
1200s, built in Gothic style. We're not going to be guys here for any longer than that. I just wanted to tell you the name, and maybe also tell you that it's a street which is very expensive, which you can probably see, because it's now ranked as the number 20 most expensive retail street in the world.
Paris Street,
next to
Jewish Quarter.
Fifth Avenue, New York. Then we have.
It's inside the Jewish Quarter still.
So that's the Jewish cemetery. And one thing you can notice is the cemetery is quite high above normal level of ground. Can anybody guess why? Flooding is a good guess. But no, this is actually the reason.
Right up here at Prague Castle now. It's a hot day. About 35 Celsius. 100 Fahrenheit. At the Charles Bridge. Gonna cross over here shortly. Heat and height of the day. Just take a look at the crowd that's out here. People from all around the world. It's like a Niagara Falls effect. Gonna go down here and get on one of these boat tours too. I'll also film this again tonight at sunset. Great party. A couple jazz bands up here. Some artists. No benches though, I'm surprised at that. Everyone just stands everywhere. Had dinner at that restaurant the other night. Not too bad. Beautiful day out. Prague Castle on the hill. Commemorate somebody that was thrown off, and you're supposed to make a wish. Quite a city, quite a city. Great architecture. A little hot today though. People in front of me, people behind me, people everywhere.
There's a lot of tourists there.
Life along the river in Prague. Sitting along the river here in Prague, and I'm about to eat dinner. And first thing they bring you is cream cheese and a couple little buns, having Americano, some water. I'm too much cerveza for me today. Just going to take it a little bit easy. I ordered the veal schnitzel, so it should be here probably the next 20 minutes. Slowly but surely, the sun is setting behind Prague Castle. This is the Charles Bridge, built by Charles I. with all the different saints along the bridge. Sunset and jazz music. It's pretty good actually.